There is currently no way to draw asbestos survey floor plans within our app, although it is something that we might implement in the future. Most of our clients actually use a third-party software, so for example, Floorplan Creator, Visio, or maybe even AutoCAD if you're quite experienced. Our app's designed so that you can create your plans in that third-party software and then import them into our system, and they'll become embedded on the report. But like I say, there is no in-app floor plan drawing tool at the moment. Whether or not we develop that, we're not 100% sure, but we are definitely going to be developing the ability to annotate plans within our system. So you'll be able to upload a blank plan and then annotate that plan with your findings, whether it's a sample point or something like that. So that is something that we will definitely be developing. So please check out what's available on the market. What you use will depend on whether you want to do floor plans on site or whether you want to do them in the office. We do have a great guide on our website, which is Floor Plan Software for Asbestos Surveyors. So please go check that out if you're currently evaluating software. But even though we don't offer the floor plan drawing tool, you can just import the floor plans, like I say, either as an image or a PDF, whatever format that third-party software will allow you to export it as.